Hi, this is Aoud USD and today it's Monday 29th of December 2014 and the time is 19:31 GMT. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members, FXholics Forex Signals apps users and WhatsApp Signals subscribers. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko-Hyo, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. We see the blue arrow and the horizontal line for entry from my signal which I gave you yesterday, and you see that the pair made a move all the way up to not the first but the second stair of the lower border of the Kumo, exactly as I told you. And yes, I know you love me, I love you too. And now it's making a downward move. It's time for correction because it will have to do zigzag mode. It has to go up and down in a range bound move in order to tame the Kumo. You see, the Kumo is horizontal and it's getting thinner. Maybe it will fool us and it will go lower for a while before reversing, but yet um, the price has to make some zigzag moves. So now we had a bearish price Tenkan-Sen cross on H4, enter short, sell at 0.8130 price level, and place your take profit target at the lower Bollinger Band, which is at, let me insert the line, which is at 0.8094 level, and your stop loss can be placed at the upper border, at the lower border of the Kumo, at the level of this subfractal here, which is 0.8162. And although you know I'm not a fan of take profit targets, let the price lead and you follow. So while the price remains below Tenkan-Sen on H4, you have a very nice trade in your hands. And if you want precision for your possible exit, go to smaller time frames, like M30 for instance, and stay in short while price is below Tenkan-Sen and Tenkan-Sen is far away from price. Stay in short and monitor the trade from M30 because it will give you higher precision exit triggers, and your exit trigger will be a bullish price Tenkan-Sen cross on M30. Thanks for watching and happy pips.